Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see about the next progression that is called as geometric progression. In the previous videos, we have seen arithmetic progression. With respect to that, we have gone in detail. Basics followed by the problem, followed by the question paper problems we have solved. Okay, you can watch those videos of mine in the playlist. Second one, geometric progression in the GP. So this is also very important concept. So this is going to be appearing in the many examination, competitive examination. If I name Gpstr, hstr, banking exams, any SSC exams, any type of exams, competitive examinations, this is also important. So here, as like the arithmetic progression, we are having n term, we are having sum of the n terms. So how to calculate the n term? We have the formula. So nth term is an is equals to a multiplied by r power n minus 1, where what is a is the first term. So what is R? R is the common ratio. So how to calculate common ratio? A1, A2 up to An if it is given. Common ratio is A2 divided by A1, right? So that is how we should calculate. Similarly, next one, sum of the n terms. How to calculate sum of the n terms? Sn is equals to A multiplied by R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Condition is if R is greater than 1, means this common ratio is greater than 1, then Sn is equals to a into 1 minus Rn divided by 1 minus R if the common ratio R is less than 1, right? Next, how to calculate the S infinity? A divided by 1 minus R. So these are the formulas we are having, right? So once we know these formulas, then we will start solving the problem. So how to take the problem? So I will take the first problem. So first problem, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. So first problem, 3 by 2, 3 by 4 and 3 by 8. Find the fifth term. Find the fifth term in geometric progression. So this is the question. So how to calculate this is, so use the formula. What is the formula? The formula is same thing, this formula, which is An is equals to A multiplied by R raised to n minus 1. In this, what is the value of A we know, but what is the value of R we don't know. So how to calculate R? Second one divided by first one. Second one is this one, first one is this one. So this divided by 3 by 2. So here denominator of denominator becomes numerator. So it is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. 3, 3, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the value? 1 by 2. So the common ratio is half. What is the value of A? A is 3 by 2, right? So now, so start substituting in the given formula is equal to A. A value is 3 by 2. R is 1 by 2. N is N value. What is the value of N? Fifth term is given. So it is 5 minus 1. So it is 3 by 2 half. What is 5 minus 1? 4. Means it is 3 by 2 into 1 divided by 16. So it is 3 divided by 32. So what is the A fifth term? It is A fifth term is 3 divided by 32. This is the problem. How we have solved this with the help of this formula, right? So we can pick up the second formula, right? Sorry, second problem. So for that, we will take here the second problem. We can take, that is 2 root 2 and 4 and up to 32. So what you should find? You should find the value of, n. You should find this n value, right? Because last term they have given, first term they have given. So first term is like this, last term is like this, and what is the common ratio? Common ratio is this divided by this, second divided by first. So it is common ratio is 2, right? So common ratio is 2. Then use the formula. What is the formula? An is equals to A multiplied by R raised to n minus 1. So An is given, that is 32. A is 2. R, what is the value of R? Root 2 raised to n minus 1. What is n minus n? N we should find. So this is looking like the complex one. So 32 is equals to 2. Root 2 can be written as what? 2 power 1 by 2. It is n minus 1. Right? So 32 is equals to 2. So it is 2. It is n minus 1 by 2. Right? Then after that, so here it is 16 is equals to 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2. So it is 2 power 4 to n minus 1 by 2. Right? So here it is base is common. Then 4 is equals to n minus 1 divided by 2. Right? So 4 into 2 is 8, which is equals to n minus 1. So what is n? N is equals to 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the value of n we got? Here it is 9. For that, we should solve the problem like this. Right? So similarly, we can solve the rest of the problems. Okay? Thank you. We will see in the next video how we can solve this more problems on the geometric progression. Thank you.